how to draw Zubat step by step. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step of our drawing today, we're going to begin by drawing the mouth, which will be right above the center of our page. The mouth will appear to be open, and we're going to draw a total of 4 teeth on the inside of the mouth of our Zubat. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. I just want to let you know that we upload every single day. And if you want to see more drawings, just like of today's Pokemon, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. And if you want to stay up to date on all of our latest new drawings, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you see everything that we post daily. Now once we're all done drawing the mouth of our Zubat, the next step will be to begin to draw the ears, which will be right above. This part might be a little bit tricky, so be sure to pause the video if you have any problems at all. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing colored in so that you can pause the video and match your colors if you would like to. So when we draw the ears, wings, and legs, it's really important to know that we have to make them both the same size, because if one is larger or smaller, then it might look disproportionate. Nice, now if you're all caught up, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now connected to the ears and beneath the mouth, we're going to begin to draw the outline of the body. From the bottom of the body, we're not going to connect everything because there's going to be 2 small openings for the legs. Next, we're going to begin to draw the inside of each ear, which will also help separate the colors from blue and purple. And if today's video is helping you so far, then be sure to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists and Pokemon lovers can also learn how to draw Zubat. That will also help us continue to grow our community together. Next, on the inside of what we just drew, we're going to draw a small curved line that will help separate the lighter purple from the darker purple. Well done, so far this is coming along very well. Now on the lower half of the body, we're going to begin to draw the legs. The legs will be made by making long skinny shapes. Fantastic! Now all that we have left to do is draw the wings before we color. We'll first begin by drawing the outline of the right wing on the right hand side of the page. Now on the left hand side, we're going to draw the exact same outline that we just drew on the right hand side. The only reason that we're going back and forth is just to make sure that they're both the same size. Now just like how we drew the outside outline, we now have to draw the inside outline of the wing. This will really help separate the colors and the parts of the wing. we're just going to draw this line all the way down, and it's going to connect to what we previously drew together. Nice, well done. Now we're going to use 2 curved lines to help connect the wing all together. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. Let's move on over to the left hand side and do the exact same thing to that wing that we just did on the right hand side. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I'm sure your drawing of a Zubat came out great. If you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. And if there's anything else that you would like to learn how to draw, but you have not yet seen drawn on our channel or any other channels, then be sure to comment it down below. And we're almost at 6,000 subscribers. I really want to hit 10,000 by the end of the year, and with your help by subscribing, liking, and sharing with your other artist friends, then we'll definitely be able to hit that goal and grow our community together. Great job today. See you tomorrow. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.